20th August happens to be the birth anniversary of our beloved Rajuji. He is no more with us. Sonia ji, Rahul ji, Priyanka ji, the whole nation is with you on this birth anniversary of Rajuji. The supreme sacrifice he did for the country to bring peace in the nation is to be remembered by one and everyone in the country. He was the darling of destiny. He came, he saw, he conquered. The whole nation loved him, and people all over the world also loved him. He wanted to bring peace in the country. There was turmoil in Punjab. There were movements in Assam and Mizoram. His first effort was to bring peace in the country. He signed 3 peace accords, and when he was asked by one of our persons, "What have you done, Rajuji?" 3 of our Congress governments had to make way for non-Congress governments. He said, "Definitely the Congress has lost, but the country has gained." This was the spirit with which Rajuji tried to build the nation. He wanted to empower the people. His feeling was not that the only parliament would deal with the people of this country. He was saying, "आपके लिए भी एक MP हम देंगे," means to say not only the member of parliament will deal with the country, but will give you somebody very close to you in the Panchayat Raj system, a member of Panchayat, to be called an MP, who would do everything that is required for the people of villages. This was the dream of Mahatma Gandhi, that we will bring in a Panchayat Raj system which would empower the people of this country. Rajuji brought about reforms in the education system, and he was saying that we should recognize talent. Talent not only in the rich, there is talent in the poor. Talent not only in the urban areas, but in the rural places also. And he said, a rose, whether it grew in a rich man's garden or a poor man's garden, would give the same fragrance. And that is how we frame the education policy. Going forward, he had a lot of ideas to improve the country. And one of them, as I have told you, is the education policy and the Panchayat Raj system in the country, which would empower the people to take their own decisions. Rajuji laid down his life for the people of this country, and election time, this happened, the tragedy in Tamil Nadu happened, and that was the election period when we had huge hoardings. I was PCC president in Karnataka, when one of our workers had put a hoarding saying, "Rajuji for peace," and "vote for peace." After the assassination, he changed the wording and said, citing Rajuji's body, he said, I'm getting emotional, I'm not able to utter, but he said, "Pieces for peace." That means Rajuji has laid down his body, shuddered as pieces to provide peace for the country. And we will always remember Rajuji and will follow the path laid down by him. Thank you very much.